With patience and practice, you may be able to start doing the splits in as little as a few weeks. Before attempting the splits, spend at least 5 minutes warming up with some light cardio, like jogging, dancing, or doing jumping jacks. This will get your blood flowing and help prevent injuries. To improve your flexibility, add some light stretches to your warm-up routine as well, such as lunges or butterflies. To get good at the splits fast, set aside 20 to 30 minutes each day to practice consistently. As you practice, listen to your body and be careful not to overdo it. You should feel a deep stretch while you're getting into a split, but stop if you feel pain so that you don't hurt yourself. To practice the splits, do a series of stretches to increase your flexibility and range of motion. Hold each stretch for 30 to 60 seconds. Start with a V stretch, where you sit on the floor and spread your legs in front of you in a wide V shape. Lean forward and grab your right foot with both hands for 30 to 60 seconds. Then your left. Finish the stretch by leaning forward as far as you can with both arms straight out in front of you. Next, put your legs straight out in front of you and try to touch your toes, keeping your back straight. Then, stand up with your legs straight and lean down to touch your toes. To get a good stretch in your hips and thighs, sit on the floor with your feet touching and your knees out to the sides. Use your elbows to gently push your knees down toward the floor, and use your hands to pull your heels as close to your body as possible. Remember to keep your back straight. Finally, do a kneeling stretch. Get down on one knee and put your hands on the floor in front of you. Then, stretch out your other leg in front of you. Lean your body forward for a deeper stretch. After 30 to 60 seconds, repeat the stretch on the other side. When you're done with all those stretches, try doing the actual splits. You can do all 3 splits, right, left, and center, or just choose one to focus on. Lower yourself into each split slowly and carefully until you've reached your comfortable limit. Then, hold the pose for 30 seconds. Take a break before you try again. Don't get discouraged if you can't do a full split right away. The more you practice, the more flexible you'll become.